All right, guys, so we are done with the hood installation. We're moving on to the fenders. We have this 2019 Corvette. We're gonna wrap the edges of the fender, just like we did the edges on the hood as well. Being that it's white, you don't want too many edges because this way the dirt starts to accumulate and it starts showing as time goes by. So we're adjusting some of the patterns and extending some of the edges. For sure, we did it all the way here on the hood. PJ will show you some B-rolls of all of this here being wrapped. Same thing with the fender that we're gonna do right now. We got it all cleaned up and ready to install. So we're moving along to the bumper. Today we should have the whole car wrapped. Haven't done one of these C7s. Been really busy with the C8s, and now we got a C7. All right, so aside from the paint protection film that we are done with, we're moving right along to the window tint process. It was already tinted somewhere else. I just recommended the windshield tint and he decided to do it. So we're doing Xpel XR. You guys know how we do it. We're here shrinking it on the outside. Ricky's preparing it on the inside, and then we'll install it. And lastly, before we turn in the car, Brian is helping me out applying halo. We're using G-Technique halo on all the paint protection film areas. We're putting that permanent wax effect that the ceramic coating will bring. It'll also keep the paint protection film more healthy, more younger looking, and more shiny for many years to come. So definitely consider applying ceramic coating to your paint protection film. Well, there you have it, guys. Brand new, well, not brand new, but 2019 Chevy Corvette coming in for a full paint protection film with ceramic coating on the whole front, along with all the paint protection film pieces that you saw us do. We did the fender, the hood, the bumper, the headlights, and lastly we gave it a nice little tint of shadiness and coolness with the full front windshield, 55% Xpel XR. So like that, the interior stays cooler and protected for a very long time. If you guys like what you see, let us know, comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, I'll catch you guys then.